How to fix cannot send message on Amo app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix cannot send messages on Amo app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Amo app. Once you are here, go click on your profile up there. Now basically, if you have any problem, click on help and feedback and you're gonna find a lot of solution. Now we need to know chat problems. Click on chat, and here you're gonna find cannot send messages. Click. They're gonna give you some steps to, and you need to follow those steps to solve your problem. So if this is helpful, click on the check icon. If it's not, click on the X icon and send your feedback. So this is it guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like.